Junta, building better Africa.
Experience. Here in East Africa, the cradle of humanity, we find a land teeming with life in its rawest form. The Masai Mara in Kenya, a vast savanna that seems to stretch to the horizon, plays host to one of nature's greatest spectacles, the Great Migration. Millions of wildebeest, zebra and gazelle thunder across the plains, their hooves drumming a primal rhythm as they follow the ancient pathways in search of fresh grazing. The Serengeti in Tanzania, a boundless expanse of golden grassland, echoes this incredible natural event. But East Africa is more than just its savannas. Journey with us to the lush rainforests of Uganda, where we encounter the endangered mountain gorillas in the Bwindi impenetrable forest. These gentle giants, sharing over 98% of our own DNA, are a testament to the power of conservation. In Rwanda, we climb the slopes of volcanoes shrouded in mist, seeking out the elusive golden monkey amidst the bamboo forests. These rare and beautiful creatures, with their playful nature and striking coats, are a true treasure of the Virunga Mountains. And finally, we descend to the sun-drenched beaches of the Indian Ocean. Diani Beach in Kenya, with its pristine white sands and turquoise waters, offers a tranquil escape. Zanzibar, an island steeped in history and spice trade, entices with its vibrant culture and idyllic beaches. Our journey continues south, to a land where dramatic landscapes and diverse cultures collide. Cape Town, nestled beneath the iconic Table Mountain, welcomes us with its vibrant energy and breathtaking scenery. Here we explore the Cape Winelands, a region of rolling vineyards and charming towns where the legacy of Dutch colonial history blends seamlessly with modern South African life. But the call of the wild beckons, and we venture into Kruger National Park, one of Africa's largest game reserves. Here, amidst the acacia trees and watering holes, we seek out the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, rhino and buffalo. A thrilling encounter with the raw power of the animal kingdom. Namibia, a land of stark beauty, draws us to its ancient deserts. The towering dunes of Sossusvlei, sculpted by wind and time, paint an otherworldly picture against the clear blue sky. Along the desolate skeleton coast, shipwrecks stand as eerie reminders of the ocean's unforgiving nature. Etosha National Park, with its vast salt pan that shimmers under the African sun, offers a unique safari experience. And in Botswana, we discover the Okavango Delta, a labyrinth of waterways and islands home to an astonishing array of wildlife. Here, we witness elephants wading through crystal-clear waters, a scene of tranquility and grace. Chobe National Park, bordering the Chobe River, boasts one of the largest concentrations of elephants in Africa. These majestic creatures gather by the hundreds, their trumpeting calls echoing across the savannah as they come to drink and bathe in the life-giving waters. We journey now to the cradle of civilization, where the sands of time have buried secrets for millennia. Egypt, a land of pharaohs and pyramids, captivates the imagination with its ancient wonders. The pyramids of Giza, towering over the desert sands, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a bygone era. The enigmatic Sphinx, with its weathered features gazing out over the centuries, continues to guard its secrets. Along the lifeblood of Egypt, the Nile River, we cruise past ancient temples and tombs, each telling a story of the past. Recent archaeological discoveries have breathed new life into Egypt's ancient treasures. The Grand Egyptian Museum, a modern marvel, houses an unparalleled collection of artifacts, offering a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Morocco, a land where the cultures of Africa and Europe intertwine, entices with its vibrant cities and diverse landscapes. Marrakesh, a city of bustling souks and enchanting gardens, awakens the senses with its vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and the rhythmic calls of the muezzin. Fez, with its ancient Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, transports us back in time. And Chefchaouen, the blue pearl of Morocco, captivates with its blue-washed buildings and serene atmosphere. From the soaring peaks of the Atlas Mountains to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, Morocco offers a journey of contrasts and discovery. Our African adventure takes us now to the west, a region pulsing with rhythm, color, and warmth. Ghana, known for its welcoming people and rich history, greets us with open arms. Along the coast, we explore the Cape Coast and Elmina Castle, poignant reminders of the transatlantic slave trade, now UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Inland, Accra, the bustling capital city, and Kumasi, the cultural heartland, offer a glimpse into modern Ghanaian life. The air thrums with the beat of highlife music, a fusion of traditional rhythms and Western influences, while colorful markets burst with life and energy. Each year, Accra explodes with creativity during the Chale Wote Street Art Festival, transforming the streets of Jamestown into an open-air gallery of murals, installations, and performances. Senegal, a country renowned for its musical heritage, vibrant art scene, and delectable cuisine, beckons us to experience its unique charm. Dakar, the capital city, pulsates with a creative energy that spills out onto its streets. We wander through art galleries showcasing the works of talented Senegalese artists, our ears filled with the sounds of mbalax, the national music of Senegal, a fusion of traditional rhythms and modern instruments. We venture to the pink lake, Lac Rose, a natural wonder that gets its hue from a unique algae, and reflect on the history of Gorée Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that served as a major slave trading center. West Africa, with its warmth, hospitality, and infectious joie de vivre, leaves an unforgettable mark on the soul. Our journey culminates in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, where paradise awaits on idyllic islands. The Seychelles, an archipelago of 115 islands, beckons with its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush landscapes. Here we find tranquility and seclusion, surrounded by the gentle rhythm of the waves. Giant tortoises roam freely, ancient mariners who have witnessed the passage of time on these shores. Beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of marine life dances amidst coral reefs, a paradise for snorkelers and divers. Mauritius, another gem of the Indian Ocean, enchants with its luxurious resorts, championship golf courses, and vibrant culture, a melting pot of Indian, African, and European influences. We indulge in the island's culinary delights, a fusion of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds. Madagascar, the fourth largest island in the world, is a world apart. Separated from the African mainland for millions of years, it has evolved a unique ecosystem, home to an astonishing array of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. We trek through rainforests in search of lemurs, primates with haunting eyes and playful antics. We marvel at the baobab trees, ancient giants that dot the landscape like sentinels from a forgotten time. The Indian Ocean islands, with their natural beauty, tranquility, and unique charm, offer a fitting end to our African adventure. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Africa's top travel spots. From the untamed beauty of the Serengeti to the ancient wonders of Egypt, the vibrant cultures of West Africa, to the idyllic islands of the Indian Ocean, we've only just scratched the surface of this diverse and captivating continent. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just dreaming of far-off places, we hope this guide has inspired you to experience the magic of Africa for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.